Most of e-com sellers lose thousands of dollars every single year because of one small thing. They don't know how to negotiate the prices with the factories in China. What we'll be doing today in this video, I will take you through my strategy and how we negotiate the factories prices, because the most important thing for you is just to save your sourcing cost so you could get more profit. In this video, I will take you step by step to my strategy. I help thousands of sellers to save up to 20% on their cost, and by the end you will know how to walk into negotiation confidence, clarity, and leverage. For those who don't know me, I've been in China for many years, helping global sellers save tons of money in better negotiation and get them better prices. I've been sitting in many negotiations, from small workshops in EU until massive factories in Shenzhen and other cities. I've seen deals collapse because of the bad negotiation, and I see other businesses grow like crazy because they take it the right way. What I will do today, I will take you on the right track and give you the 5 tips of negotiation to leverage your business and reduce your cost as max as we can. And there will be a real case study how we help our one of the biggest sellers to save around 23% in his cost, and it helps him in 1 year to scale his business from 5 to 7 orders up to 1,000 orders a day. So many people think that Chinese factories are scammers, which is totally untrue. They will test you and see if you have the experience or no. Everyone wants to make a profit, and they will be happy if they see that you don't have experience and they can get more profit from you. So it's not about scam, it's about if they can make more profit from you. This is the most important thing you need to understand. Hey, so today a very important day. Heading to the office, and at the afternoon have very important meeting with one of the factories for our client, just to help them to reduce the cost as we discuss in this video. We'll show you part of the negotiation and how we do this. The meeting today is very important. We are just taking over the factory, like we will be putting the production line by ourselves. We are investing in the molds and everything. This will help our client a lot to save a huge amount of money, as they are now scaling the more than 1,000 orders a day. So this is important meeting for us and for our client, but he trusts us and we do all this on his behalf. I come to the office, so today we have the meeting with the factory to discuss about how we can start our production line with our client to produce his product, try him to save big cost instead of manufacture the product. So we will do the production line and we'll take it from there. So here I'm going to my office now. So we have 2 offices in China. One is here and one is here. Actually, this is 2 offices only in EU. So this is the office. This is my office. And I do believe in this quote, the excuses are not valid. So if you really just drop the excuses from your life and you just keep focusing, this is the way how you can move things on. Keep rolling. As Chinese traditional way, we prepare some foods for our factory. They are coming now to visit us. Yes. This is our sample room. Yes. And this is Owen. Owen is our purchase manager. And this is Zoe. Yeah. So they are the responsible of this project. We are waiting just the boss of the factory to come so we can start the discussion. This is a quick tour what's in our offices. You meet the people, you meet everyone. Yes, we're still waiting for the factory. Welcome to China. As you could see, guys, 4 people from the factory come, the boss of the factory and other 3 of the engineers. We are discussing today how to reduce the cost for our client. We are investing in the production line, and here we are coming to the meeting now. We just finished long meeting with the factory. Things is going good. Now they are got the product again for our client, and I think tomorrow we'll get the final price. But I think we cut too much cost. This is the update about the factory. So after long meeting, long discussion, so we got like to decrease the price for our client from around $20. We go take it down to $16, which is $4, about 20%. And we are super happy with the results we come for. And thanks for the factory for the support and the understanding. I will show you like quickly the discussion and how it comes. So it was here the discussion with the factory. You see like many conversation. Sure, we cannot show that conversation because it is confidential, but I will show you like our team come for this result finally to the come here, and it is the final is 16.2, as you could see. This is how we do, this is how we discuss, this is how we help our client. Yes, let's quickly cover the mistakes what I see over and over again. So mistake number one, every time you are jumping to the price, there is most and more important things to discuss: product quality, the MOQ, the packaging, and more before you discuss the price. Mistake number two is ghosting supplier. So communication is the most important thing with Chinese factories. If you not reply quickly, they think that you don't deserve the time they give to you. Mistake number three is every time accepting the first price. Remember, every time there is a room to discuss, don't get the first price as the last price. So every time discuss and try to get better price for your product. So if you're struggling with supplier negotiation, this is what my team do every single day for the last decade. So you are in the right place. In Mutual Fulfillment, we help you to source a product, fulfill your orders, and also we are one of the best sourcing agent for the supplements. A lot of things I learned in China. The most important thing I learned is just to really have a good relation with the supplier. This is one of the most important things. The most you have a good relation with the supplier, the most you can build this for long term and make more better business. 5 golden rules to negotiate better with the factory. Rule number one, do your homework. This is very important. So you need to know the market price before you start discussing with the Chinese factory. So check Alibaba, international Alibaba. You can check also 1688, the Chinese Alibaba. You can check the private agent, the people who talking in WhatsApp. So you need to know the market price before you start discussing the price with your factory. Rule number two, you need to know about the MOQ. MOQ is the minimum order quantity. So don't rely on just one price. Negotiate for 500, 1,000, 3,000. So you will have different prices. This is a golden rule. The more you order in China, the more you get better price. Keep this in your mind. Rule number three, the most important thing is the payment, not only the price. So usually Chinese factory will ask you for 100% upfront advance payment. Don't do this. 100% you shouldn't do this. So you can discuss better payment terms, like you pay 30% and then you pay 70%. You pay 30% on confirmation, 70% before you ship. This gives you the time to do the inspection for the product, and if something happens, so at least you can save some money. Rule number four, negotiate bundles, not only the price. So, for example, negotiate the packaging, the design, the customization, also the shipping, include the price. Don't only discuss for the product price, because this way, like, you can save a lot of money if you keep discussing about to get everything in one price, so you can save a lot amount of money. Final one, relationship is more important than money. Don't fight with the factories. Try to build a good relationship with them. This will help you. If you are building a brand, you need to keep to keep a good relation with the factory, discuss with them, and you are not trying to win a battle. You are building a brand. This is very important. So, trust, respect. This is what also Chinese factory are looking for. So keep these 5 golden rules in your mind, and this will help you a lot to build your brand the right way. And remember, negotiation is not about fighting supplier. It's about creating partnership that works for both sides. All what you need to do is apply the 5 strategic points what I share with you. You will not only save money, but you will build a brand that grow. If you really need help in better negotiation, cut cost, and build your brand the right way, click the link below and book a call with us, and we will help you to just start scaling your brand. I'll see you in the next video.